What is up, guys? Welcome to another video, and today we're gonna be giving a little bit of character to the 350Z. We're gonna be installing a huge yet budget wing. So guys, I bought this wing off of eBay. I don't know if it's real, if it's not, but I'll leave the link down below if you guys want to check it out. I only paid $370 or $379 for this wing, and it's huge. So I'm not really going for the function of the wing. I'm just looking to give the Z a little bit of character. It's my drift car, and right now the car looks too much like a stock 350Z. So I think this wing is gonna do the job just fine. First thing I want to do is test the wing just to see if it's gonna look good.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
When the wing fell to the floor, it chipped a little bit of the carbon fiber, but that's fine. That's okay. So since this is not just a lip spoiler, this is a full-on wing and it's a little bit heavy, 3M tape won't do it. You're gonna need to drill holes on your hatch. There are a total of 8. So make sure this is what you want to do, because you're not gonna be able to go back easily. You're gonna have to do some body work or replace the hatch. This being said, you need to measure many times before you drill, because once you drill it, you're not gonna have much adjustment. I took my time here and I measured both sides. I just wanted to make sure that the wing was straight, and once it was, just simply mark the hatch and drill through it. Although these hatch struts are good, with the weight of the new wing, it doesn't hold the hatch into place. So be careful for the hatch not to hit your head. Now, every time I want to keep the hatch open, I just put like a piece of wood, something to hold the hatch up in the air.
No.
It's how the 350Z looks now. It's a little lowered, it still has huge tires that we need to get rid of, but now we have a huge wing, and I'll tell you, it caused a little bit of attention. Like, everybody knows my car because of the huge wing now. But I think we hit the goal with this install, which was to give the car a little bit of character and not be just that regular stock 350Z. If you like this kind of install, stay tuned to the channel, because we're gonna be doing a lot more stuff to the 350Z. Everything is coming by fast and the videos are being uploaded fast. So make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next project.